guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a ride, and we're gonna talk about expensive things on motorcycles. Before we get started, we're gonna have to go ahead and hit the gas. That's gonna be one of our first subjects. So let's roll. Go ahead and get some gas at Smith's today. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like Smith's gas? Checking the Chevron from now on. I mean, I guess either way, I got a pump 91. Look at that beautiful view. Can't beat it. It's a beautiful morning to be out on the motorcycle. Gunshots from the south, or the north, excuse me. Got the temple. Yeah, this is my little spot where I like to go. I like to take off and get a good view of what Utah looks like from a higher elevated standpoint, and just kind of take it in. Just enjoy what we have while the time's being. I started all the way down there somewhere, but this isn't what I came out here for today. Today I came out to tell you guys about 5 expensive things on motorcycles. Yes, expensive. A lot of people think you're gonna save gas and things are going to be cheaper. Insurance is cheaper, yes, but times like this, when you have snow on the road and the weather's unpredictable here in Utah, you're going to end up using your motorcycle, I would say roughly, you could probably say about 11 months out of the year. So about a month out of the year, you probably won't get any riding done. And that's just because there will be so much snow and the plows just haven't gotten to it. So when you overall think about it, there is a lot of time that you're not going to spend on your motorcycle. You're probably not going to go grocery shopping. You're probably not picking the kids up from school. So that being said, how practical is it to have a motorcycle for every day? I don't know. A lot of people can make it work. I don't think I can. Number 2, the clothing you wear. The clothing is ridiculously expensive. It is ridiculously expensive. I ended up getting my helmet with the purchase of my VTX. There's a lot of things that came with it. So I would suggest that if you're gonna purchase a motorcycle, that you kind of look for one that maybe they're gonna get you some jackets or whatnot. I don't recommend going in debt over it. If you're gonna get a loan on it, pointless. They're gonna charge you interest. You know, there's no reason to pay interest. Just save your money, and when you're ready, just go ahead and go buy that, or just squid it out. Leather can be pretty pricey depending on what you get, how you get it. For me, I tend to look online for the sales, the deals. Tires. Let's talk about tires. Now, on a vehicle you have 4 wheels. You think that would cost more money, huh? Let me tell you something. Tires are the biggest worry of my concern. Reasoning why: you get a nail in there, depending on where you get that nail, depending on how far you got to go, how long you got to make it to the next spot, that's gonna all depend. But these tires can cost you a whole bunch of money. Ask anybody that rides a motorcycle. These tires will cost you a fortune, especially if you're doing burnouts. My front tire cost me $171 MSRP. I didn't pay that, of course. If I'm looking for a tire, I'm looking for it in months in advance. My rear tire, I believe online, was about $240, $250. So as a grand total, and that's not including mounting and balancing, as a grand total, you're gonna end up spending at least 400 bucks at the lowest. And that depends on what quality of tires you really want. Gas, let's just go ahead and say that, because we already know when you get a motorcycle, it's not sitting. You're not just driving it to work and back. Some of you guys are weekend warriors, but still, we all know that you can only put so much gas in these things, and then after that it's done. So maintenance, this is not including tires, this is not including gear maintenance wise, just maintenance. Fork seals, you have your oil, you have your antifreeze for some bikes. Some bikes are air cooled. You've got your air filter. All of these things, they're just so pricey. It makes no sense. Think about that. I like to keep this short. So we've got our motorcycle gas, our insurance, we've got our clothing. What else is there? Well, I'm not sure. We'll go ahead and keep riding, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys somewhere else, because if anybody knows me, they know I love fishing. So I guess we'll see you at the next spot. It's a surprise.
Purpose at the end. The thing was to get to that end. Success or whatever it is, or maybe heaven after you're dead. But we missed the point the whole way along. But we missed the point the whole way along.
made it. We made it all the way out to Bountiful Pond, one of my favorite fishing spots. It's really close to home. It's got a lot of wildlife, and you can ice fish here. I have no clue how safe this is. Should I do it? I think I'm just gonna do it. If I fall, somebody's gotta come get me. Somebody's got to. I don't know. I mean, like, I've got like a lot of my weight on it. You hear that cracking? Water right there. All right, guys. Well, I think this is where we say our goodbyes. Just remember, people, sometimes you just gotta absorb the nature and let go of anything that's got you bound to this earth and just get out there. So motorcycle riding helps me do that. So it takes me beautiful places and lets me get to meet new interesting people, do things I've never done before. We started off all the way out this way and went all the way up to the freaking temple, came down Parish Lane, and ended up here. It's where I like to ice fish once in a while. I haven't been this year, so I guess we'll see. But once again, thank you guys for coming and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. But I'll catch you guys next time. And go ahead and comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Until next time, thank you. Enjoy. Catch you later.